Hey guys, it's Jerry, and around 2 weeks ago I ordered some stuff from Colourpop and my package just arrived today, and I'm super excited to do an unboxing for you guys because some of these products are new and I've really been so excited to buy it and go out and try it, and I finally did. So that's what we're gonna do today. So this is my package. I haven't opened it yet. I made sure to save it for the video, and yeah, let's get opening. I purposely did not wear any makeup for this video besides my eyebrows and some lip tint because I actually got some skincare products from 4th Ray Beauty. You guys will see, and I want to try it out, so I'm just gonna use these tweezers. So, there we go. Okay, got it. Okay, we're good. We're good. So here it is. I'm so excited. Yes. Bubble wrap. Resting beach face. I really love their little cards that they put along with the packages. So this is everything. Yes. So the first thing I got is this Soul Beauty Shimmering Dry Oil. I'm super excited for this one. This is the one I've been so excited about. I got mine in the shade Soft Gold. Oh my goodness, look at that. Wow. Wow. The Shimmering Body Oil is $15. Look at that. Wow. It's 90 milliliters or 3 fluid ounces. According to the box, the Shimmering Dry Oil is a luxe lightweight dry oil with next level multi-dimensional shimmer. This is infused with coconut, argan, and marula oils for a glistening, good for you glow. This leaves the skin drenched in an addictive tropical coconut aroma. Okay, so I swatched the Soul Drying Shimmering Dry Oil, and wow, it's so nice. I don't know if you guys can see it. It smells so good. Like, it smells like, if any of you guys use the scent Aruba Coconut from Bath and Body Works, it smells like that, and it smells so good. It reminds me of all my old vacations before. Yeah, it's really nice, and it's not like the oily texture that leaves you like, ugh. It's, like it says, a dry oil, so it's like more of a rough texture, but not that rough, you know. Just gonna wait for this construction to stop first. Next thing I got was their So Juicy Plumping Lip Gloss in the shade Princess Cut. I purchased this when they were doing the 40% off all lips promo, so I only got it for $4.20. I've been looking for a clear, non-glittery lip gloss for so long, and I never thought to look in Colourpop until I finally did, and here we go. I'm gonna try it on for you guys here right now on camera. Let's see, is it really plumping? Is it really so juicy? We'll see how juicy it is and how plumping. Tastes like chocolate chip. Mint chocolate chip, my bad. How does it look? I definitely feel the plumping properties. I was gonna say, you know how some lip plumpers, like, it feels like you put Vicks in your mouth. I don't feel it with this, but then it really takes a second. I feel it now, And girl, can I just talk about the glossiness? It's so beautiful. I'm not gonna wear anything else but this. I'm gonna put it out there. I already see it. I'm not gonna wear anything else but this. I'm predicting my future self already. So the next thing that I got was this Fourth Ray Beauty Radiate Vitamin C Elixir. And you know, we just bought a lot of Colourpop sister items today because we stan. The Radiate Vitamin C Elixir is a specially designed bi-phase serum and oil that is powerfully formulated to enhance skin radiance for a brighter, more luminous complexion. So I have a lot of acne scars, and the way I get rid of it is through vitamin C serums, but I ran out and I don't know where to get it here in Hong Kong. And I'm all about trying new things, so I thought, you know what, why not try out Fourth Ray Beauty? So I got that. And the one I usually use is the Ole Henriksen Truth Serum. And also the one I really liked was, I forgot. Oh yes, the Milano CC Vitamin C Serum from Japan. So this is how the Fourth Ray Beauty Radiate Vitamin C Elixir looks like. It is duo colors, like they said, the serum and the oil. So before we apply this, we have to shake it very well. So it turns to this nice orange color. I can't form an opinion about it right now. I have to like use it a few times to like, you know, tell you guys if it's alright. But, you know, I'm just gonna apply some of that on my face. Here goes. I'm just gonna drop some of that on my hands. It's definitely, I'm kind of concerned about the extra oil that is on this. Usually I just use serum and then that's it, but you know what, we'll see. And usually what I do is I apply some moisturizer after that. So yeah, that's that. There are two more things that I got, but they're not for me. I have the Disney Desiner Ultra Glossy Lip in the shade Boo. Ooh, it's cute. We're all about glossy lips this summer. I got this for my mom, so I'm gonna give it to her. I'll ask her what she thinks of it, and probably I'll update you guys. Finally, last but not least, we have the Karrueche. Is that how you say her name? Okay, so I googled how to actually pronounce her name and it's Karrueche. I'm so sorry. Karrueche Colourpop collaboration. I got the brown sugar palette. This one is not mine, but then I do have my own, and I plan to make a separate video where I do some swatches and probably some look tutorials on that as well. I'm so sorry about the construction. And yeah, that is all for today. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, please give it a like and also subscribe to my channel. You can also follow me on Instagram. It's right here. And I hope to see you guys next time. Bye!